welcome to my YouTube channel. Beautybybniecy here. If this is your very first time, welcome to the Niecyfam. If this is not, thank you so much for always supporting. So in today's video, I am going to create this eyeshadow look. This is going to be a tutorial. I am gonna take my time and take you guys through all this. So I realized that there's probably gonna be a lot of background noise, so I am gonna do a voiceover. I really do apologize because I decided to actually talk you guys through the tutorial, but I realized that at some points I had to mute, not talk, just apply, just because there was so much noise up here. So if you guys are ready to know how I created this look, I need you to stay tuned. So the actual story about this look before I get started is that I realized that over the years, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have created several looks. I will leave some of the pictures on the screen here, or maybe here. I will insert pictures of different green and blue looks that I have created, and some were a hit, most of them were a miss. So I really try to stay away from the greens and the blues because I realized that it's not really, I felt like it wasn't really flattering on me. But I did a few research and I am trying this again. So this is the reason why I'm creating this look. And if you guys are interested, as I said earlier, please stay tuned and make sure that you watch the video all the way to the end. The palette I'm using today is the Moira Sweet Paradise Destiny Eye and Face Eyeshadow palette. I've had this palette for so long, and I do have a video. I can link it up here for you guys or in the description box. And then when you go in, the shades that I'm using today will be the two blue shades here at the bottom. I am gonna zoom in the next slide. I'm gonna use those two shades. I will use some of the black beside it, and I will also use the mustard yellow on top of the blue shimmer shade. And then I'm also gonna use this Huda Beauty dual eyeliner. There's a felt tip and there's a pencil side. I'm gonna use both sides. So what I'm doing here is just pulling back my eyelid and then to give me the shape, and then I'm gonna line my eye as I would do in a regular lining of the eyes. And then after that, I am just gonna bring it all the way to the crease, and then I'm gonna blend it in with the shades that I showed you guys. So going in the shade Cold Waves, this is a deep blue palette from the Moira eyeshadow palette. We're going in that shade, and I'm gonna place that, I'm just gonna stamp that on top of the eyeliner outline that I made. I'm gonna just stamp it in, and then after stamping it in, I will blend it out to diffuse it. And the benefit of stamping it in on an eyeliner is that the eyeliner, it adheres to the eyeliner and then it does not fall out, so you can have a seamless blend without having eyeshadow on your face when blending shades like that. Going into this beautiful cobalt blue shade called Feel Good Blue. I am placing that all over the lid. This is one of the most beautiful blue eyeshadow shades that I have. It glides so beautifully. So all I'm doing is I'm just placing it on. I'm actually swiping it a little bit. I'm not just stamping, I'm swiping and dragging. And because this has such a beautiful and good consistency, it is not patchy. It is just placing and applying like a dream. And then using this mustard shade Promised Sun, I am gonna diffuse the edges of the two blue shades. I went in the black shade and I actually placed it such that it gave a little shape at the outer corners of the eye to make sure that it gave it a little smoky effect at the outer corners to make my eyes appear a lot bigger and longer, and it changed the whole effect of the eyeshadow. So I went in my bronzer and I used that brown shade to blend out and remove any harsh lines that the green and the blues had created in my in the inner corners of my eye, closer to the bridge of my nose. I needed to eliminate that, so I used that to diffuse the color in. I brushed it and blended it into my brow bone and down the sides of my nose to give me a nose contour, and at the same time removing that harsh line. The lower lid, I replicate everything that I did on the upper lid. So I went in with the Huda Beauty eyeliner, the pencil side, and I outlined the rim of my lower lid. And then I went in with the deep blue shade and I blended it out. I blended the eyeliner out, and then I went in with the master shade to blend out the rest of the shades in the lower lid and join it to the shades at the outer corners of my upper lid. Then using this travel size Monsieur Big Mascara from Lancome, I am gonna brush out and prep my upper lid for the lashes that I'm gonna use. And I'm using this Kiss Lash Couture lash extension. This has a curve at the outer corners, has a super slim band. I like this, lightweight, and it has a flexible one. It's really easy to use. If you're a beginner, look into this brand. It is the Kiss Lash Couture extension. So guys, this is the end of this voiceover. So if you see that my makeup is really bold, especially with my contour and blush, this is specifically because I was just gonna take photos and I needed them to show. That is why it's looking that way. All right, Niecyfam, welcome back. So this is the finished look. All right guys, let me know down below if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys like this makeup look. I know this look is not for everyone, it's not for every day, but sometimes it is just fun to create looks like this. So let me know down below guys. This is the end of the video. I really appreciate that you're always here and you're watching this video all the way to the end. I appreciate you again. Make sure that if you haven't subscribed, you hit the subscribe button. Also follow me on social media. All my information will be in the description box, as well as all the products that I used. Also, if you have any questions on makeup application, make sure that you're leaving them in the comment section below. All right guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one.